Hello friends. First of all, Padai Karo team wishes warmest congratulations to all the successful candidates of UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020. And I want to share with you all that this year male and female ratio in top 20 is 10:10. And out of 761 successful candidates, 545 are males and 216 are females. So now let's get some information and learn some motivated facts about UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 top 10 candidates. The topper of UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 is Shubham Kumar from Katihar, Bihar. He is a BTech in Civil Engineering from IIT Bombay. His rank in IIT entrance exam was 219th. UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 was his third attempt and the optional subject he chose for the mains was anthropology. He couldn't make it in his first attempt in 2018 exams. In 2019, he got 290th rank. He chose anthropology optional in 2019 as well. He got selected in the Indian Defence Accounts Service. He is currently undergoing training at National Academy of Defence Financial Management, Pune. His elder sister is working as a scientist in Bhabha Atomic Research Center. The second rank holder UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 is Jagrati Avasthi from Bhopal, MP. She is a BTech in Electrical Engineering from Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal. After completing her engineering, she joined Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. She worked in the company from 2017 to 2019. When she couldn't crack UPSC Civil Service Exam in her first attempt, she decided to quit her job, and UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 was her second attempt. She chose Sociology optional in mains. The third rank holder of UPSC Civil Service Exam is Ankita Jain from Agra, UP. She is a BTech in Computer Science from Delhi Technology University. She is also a first rank holder of GATE, that is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, in 2016. She had worked for DRDO as a scientist. In UPSC Civil Service Exam 2017, she go for her first attempt but couldn't clear the prelims. In her second attempt in 2018, she secured 270th rank and joined the Indian Audit and Account Service and got posted in Mumbai. In her third attempt, due to lack of time, she again failed in prelims. And UPSC CSC 2020 was her fourth attempt with philosophy as optional in mains. Her younger sister Vaishali Jain also secured 21st rank in this exam. Ankita Jain's husband Abhinav Tyagi is an IPS officer of Maharashtra cadre who motivated her to prepare for civil services examinations. Next is our fourth rank holder of UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 named Yash Jaluka from Jharia, Jharkhand. He is an MA Economics from Delhi University. He started preparation for UPSC Civil Services exam soon after completing his post-graduation in 2019. He used to study 8 hours daily. UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 was his very first attempt and he chose Economics optional in mains. Our UPSC Civil Service Exam 5th rank holder is Mamta Yadav from Basai village, Delhi. She is a BSc Physics Honours from Hindu College, Delhi University. In her first attempt in last year's UPSC Civil Service exam, she secured 556 rank and started training for the Indian Railways Personnel Services, but she was not feeling satisfied there. She started preparing for the UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 again with Physics optional and secured 5th rank. Our 6th rank holder of UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 is Meera K from Thrissur, Kerala. She is a BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Thrissur Government Engineering College. She completed her BTech in 2016. Her mother used to motivate her to prepare for the civil services examinations. Even when she was doing her BTech, her mother used to tell her to try civil services exam as it has a lot to do for the public. It It was her fourth attempt and she chose sociology as optional in mains examinations. When she started trying for civil services exam, she failed in the mains exam in her first attempt. In her second attempt, she lost in the interview by just 12 marks, and in her third attempt, she failed in the prelims exam by just 1 mark, and she made it in her fourth attempt in UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020. The 7th rank holder of UPSC Civil Service Exam is Praveen Kumar from Jamui, Bihar. He is a BTech in Civil Engineering from IIT Kanpur. Praveen completed his BTech in 2017. In GATE exam 2018, he secured All India rank 5, and in 2018 itself, he got 3rd rank in All India Engineering Services. After that, he started working in the railways. The UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 was his second attempt in which he chose Civil Engineering optional in the mains. Our UPSC Civil Service Exam 8th rank holder Kartik Jivani from Surat, Gujarat is a BTech in Mechanical Engineering from IIT Mumbai. When he was in the 4th year in his college, he started preparing for UPSC Civil Service Exam. He failed in his first attempt in 2017 and in his second attempt he secured All India rank 94 and got selected for the IPS. During his training as an IPS officer in Hyderabad, he decided to appear for the UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 and secured 8th rank. He chose Mechanical Engineering optional in the mains exam. Securing 8th rank, he became the person who attained the highest ever rank from Gujarat state. The 9th rank holder of UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 is Apala Mishra from UP. She is a Bachelor of Dental Surgery from Army College of Dental Sciences in Hyderabad. She completed her BDS but did not start her medical practice. As soon after completing her dental studies in 2018, she started preparing for UPSC Civil Services examination, but she failed in her first attempt as she was taking time to understand the syllabus. She again failed in her second attempt too, and UPSC Civil Service Exam 2020 was her third attempt in which she secured All India rank 9. She chose Anthropology optional in the mains exam. And the 10th rank holder of UPSC Civil Service Exam is Satyam Gandhi from Samastipur, Bihar. He is a BA in Political Science Honours from Delhi University. He began preparing for the Civil Service Examination from May 2019 while he was in the 3rd year of his graduation. UPSC CSC 2020 was his first attempt and he secured 10th rank. He chose Political Science as optional in the mains examination. He used to study for 12 hours daily in a closed room at his home. So guys, these stories will further give you strength to do hard work and learn to do not get hopeless by the initial failures. You just focus on your targets, your dream, that is UPSC Civil Service Exam. Therefore, if you also aspire to become an IAS and want to see your name in the list of successful candidates in UPSC Civil Services Exam, download Padhai Karo app and learn from the top faculties of top institute at one platform, that is Padhai Karo. On this app, you will get multiple institutes offering general studies courses, optional paper courses, foundation batch pre-cum-mains courses, current affair notes, mock tests, essay writing tips, magazines, book, etc. for UPSC Civil Service examinations. That's all for today guys. Thank you. Namaskar.